How do you know when too much is too much? Well, I might be the wrong person to ask about that. I think I might be a maximalist, if I'm real honest. I appreciate simplicity and I like the beauty in it, but for me, I always feel like there's something missing, or there's something else, or there's space that can be filled. I don't like a ton of empty gaps. Even in my home, pretty much every surface of the wall is covered with something beautiful and decorative. Of course, everything is cohesive. To be honest, I think my bedroom is the least done room of my entire house. And coincidentally, it's a room you get to see often here on the Roxy Talk Style channel. But for me, I love the way things look when all of the details are covered, all of the bases have been attended to. Again, I like attention to detail. I like the little nuances that most people would skip or overlook. To me, that's where the true art is. It's in adding something or doing something just for the sake of doing it, just for the sake of completing the piece, just for your own personal satisfaction. So if you're wondering, what is too much? Start piling shit on. Literally find out what is too much for you. What is your limit? How many accessories is too many? How much eyeshadow is too much? How much lip liner is too much? How big can your hair go? These are all questions that you can ask yourself and have fun experimenting with. Push your own boundaries, try new things. This is the perfect time to get really experimental with your style because most of us aren't going anywhere. You don't have the potential to be judged for what you're wearing if you're not really leaving the house. So have fun with your style. Try something new. Put on a tutorial and put on some big hair. Throw on a thick-ass lip liner and see how it feels to put on some heels or something different than you normally wear. I always love to find new ways of expressing myself and new ways of defining who Roxy is on the outside. That is where the fun in fashion and style is, and I am here for it. finally done with this, I don't know, Marie Antoinette, paint me like your French girls kind of look. Also has a little bit of a dolly theme to it. So now I'm gonna head over into wardrobe and get started on this look. So here we have today's look, and I'm sorry to say this shirt is another one of those Instagram ads. They seriously know how to get me. I buy way too many things off Instagram ads and I don't remember where anything is from, so I apologize, but this is like a velvet, I don't know, like flight attendant looking shirt. I can't even explain it. It's just ridiculous as usual. The cool thing about it though is that every individual button is different. I thought that was really neat. I appreciate that kind of attention to detail. And of course a big bow, because why not add some drama? And I'm wearing this rosary again. I've already worn it, but I feel like it just kind of gets lost in the shuffle, and I actually have some matching earrings with it, so of course today I just realized my hair is big and you probably won't see them, so we're trying to work these cute little pieces in there and give them their own special moment. Of course, my infamous gold bracelets, more of these unique buttons. I just love this little jaguar ring, it's so cute. Okay, so French Marie Antoinette flight attendant coming up. See you in a minute. So here we are with today's look all put together. This one is a little kind of Marie Antoinette meets flight attendant. This was a fun one for me. I've been holding on to this look for a while, just waiting for all the pieces to arrive, like a lot of my looks. I just really love to be creative and switch things up, and finding pieces like this blouse, we'll call it a blouse. I just really like to find ways to make something that maybe not a lot of people would gravitate towards, but I can definitely see elements of it that remind me of my own style, and I can add in the pieces that are unique to my character and my expression to make it my own personal look. So I want you to leave in the comments below what you would do to style this particular shirt if you'd ever wear it, and what your favorite part of this look is. I'm heading over into the studio now to film this week's episodes of Roxy Talks. So if you are interested in videos about manifesting, confidence, and mindset, head on over to my other channel, Roxy Talks, where we will be discussing just that. I'll see you there. If jumping directly into an alternate reality is on your agenda and list of things to do, this episode of Roxy Talks is for you. Not being direct and respectful of your own boundaries is like setting a bear trap for you and everyone around you and then forgetting that it's there. If you are feeling desperate, like you just have to have your manifestation at all costs and you don't know what's going on and doesn't feel like it's happening and oh my God, will this happen?